नमस्कार हमारे प्यारे दर्शकों, आज हम यहाँ मौजूद है इंडिया स्टोरी के प्लेटफॉर्म पर, जहाँ पर धमाकेदार इवेंट ऑर्गेनाइज हो रहा है। कल से शुरू हो रहा है और इसकी तैयारियां भी ज़ोरों शोरों से हैं। चलिए हम आपको एक छोटा सा टूर दिखाते हैं द इंडिया स्टोरी का। हमारे साथ आज है मधु नेवटिया जी। इन्हें किसी इंट्रोडक्शन की ज़रूरत नहीं है, सिर्फ नाम ही काफ़ी है हमारे साथ जो है। और द इंडिया स्टोरी की रचयिता अगर हम कहें तो वो ज़्यादा बेटर है। आपका बहुत बहुत स्वागत है सन्मार्ग में।
थैंक यू सो मच।
सो इंडिया स्टोरी क्या है और आज के दौर में ये इतना ज़रूरी क्यों है?
I think the whole world is talking about India आज, and I think it's so important that we addressed it 10 years back. And मेरे लिए था कि इंडिया को why is India not being noticed, बिकॉज इतना टैलेंट है, इतना स्कोप है, इतना एबिलिटी है कि करने के लिए। तो मेरा मन था, इससे हम इंडिया स्टोरी शुरू किया कि हमको लगता था कि अंडर वन रूफ कैन आई एड्रेस इंडिया in all its glory. But of course you can't just do it in one edition. You have to keep doing different editions. When you do different editions, then you can address कि ये भी है, वो भी है ना। देखिए आप performances, it's not only about dance and look at the music performances that people are performing. What talents, young talents. So why I just felt that these are things under one roof in Calcutta. Getting talents from all over India was very important to address for people's awareness and education कि हम लोग के पास कितना चीज़ है और हम लोग क्यों नहीं उसको सेलिब्रेट कर रहे हैं।
दिस 10th एडिशन में क्या नया है?
See, 10th year is our milestone that 10 years that we were able to sustain this property and people have enjoyed the feedback that we have got, and we just felt कि all the things that I wanted to do which I had not done in the 10th year, we're doing it. So of course our opening night is very interesting because we're doing so many things in one night, where we're having an opening ceremony which I think we have to come and see, and then we are having, there's a one book that we have put together for the 10th year celebrating the India story. That will also be the release, so I don't want to talk about much because I think let everybody see and feel. Then of course we have the awards, and we have a fantastic jury which is from all over India, and the idea of the awards was just to bring in the young and the contemporary talents of India to the fore, rather than the ones that we've always celebrated the ones who have been there. But I think it was very important to celebrate and give encouragement to the young talents which are emerging and who have also established themselves also in many ways, and what remarkable work they're doing. So that is we are doing. And then of course we're having a fashion showcase by Amit Agarwal, because he has also reinvented himself very beautifully. The way he has adapted the Banarsi the way he's adapted the Banaras weaves, not even weaves, the way he's, it's very contemporarized the design and I mean, I don't know how to say it, but the way the garments are so contemporary, using the Banarsi, so it's very interesting. I think we're just waiting to see that tomorrow, and I'm sure Amit is going to do a fabulous job because it is his debut. He's never done in Calcutta, and we're very excited about actually the entire evening yesterday. Of course, tomorrow is by invitation only, so we can only have so many people, but we'll definitely put it out in our YouTube and social media.
अभी हम बात करेंगे थीम के बारे में, जो कि बहुत ज़्यादा इम्पोर्टेंट है। तो इस बार का थीम क्या है?
The theme is 10 directions, 10 everything is about 10. So this time we've also tried to explore as many objectives of the 10 this year. So one of them is installation. We have 10 installations, and the installations are fantastic because there are 7 installations which were done by the people from Calcutta, who are very, very talented people. Last year we had done Calcutta story. This time we're doing Calcutta, representing Calcutta through installations, and they're fantastic talents which are shown. Then of course we have a fantastic gallery called Anant Art Gallery. They're doing a very nice theme which is Aboham. They've done a theme and they've got fantastic work from again celebrating with the Bengal artists. So whether it's a Pradeep Das or whatever, it's going to be very fantastic. So we have done, and there's another artist called Vibhor. He's from Delhi. His installation is also very interesting. So we've got talent, and so that is one. Then we've got Kutch Edit, which is happening. That's also part of our installation. That's also nomadic and free. It's very down to our roots, catching our roots, and then the way they have evolved, the way they have reinvented themselves, how they contemporize the nomadic experience on textiles, on installations. So it's going to be very interesting to see that. And of course, Sushanto Paul is doing a fantastic, I feel, on 10 Direction as a theme that he has done, an installation which is going to be part of the fashion show. So that is one of so we're trying to represent as many things as we can, 10 in whatever we can. So like 10 themes, 10 themes of the year, then the 10 installations of the year. And also a very interesting thing what we've done is we've asked participants, as many as whoever can do it, to develop one item which is celebrating 10 years of India Story. And I can tell you a few of them have done a fantastic job. So one person has developed a chocolate, which is like the logo of the India Story, with the logo. Then somebody did a brooch, which is the India Story brooch. So it's very interesting how somebody's done a jewellery, which is a very interesting, I think a necklace, with the India Story logo. So it's very nice to see that they have really taken our theme in celebrating the 10 years and making all these wonderful things. But I would like to say our music performances is very strong this year. We have the 3 evenings, 3 talents, all from Bombay. And on the 11th, we have this Lisa Mishra. She's fabulous. She's a woman and gorgeous looking, and she's a performer. The youth love her. The youngsters love her. And I got to, I was discussing with my nieces and nephews, and they were in Bombay, and I was just telling them, I'm looking for young, talented. So they suggested, why don't you look at her? And luckily, we were able to get her. She's just coming back from Chicago. She lives between Chicago and Bombay, so she's coming down. And so like that, we have all the 3 evenings. We have fabulous performances, and I really feel people must come in the evening. And of course, the food is fantastic. The farmers market is amazing, and the retail shopping is just out of this world. The girls, my team, have done a remarkable job in putting together fabulous names, which I think very rarely you can get names like this coming under one group. This 10th year has been really, really special because we got really, I don't think I've ever seen this kind of talent that who are coming in every field, in every section for a long time.
आजकल के competitive world में why India Story is important?
Honestly speaking, I'm just so focused on the India Story that I don't see around who's doing what. I feel it's very important to keep updating yourself, keep reinventing yourself, keep adding or editing whatever you need to. And I never look around to who's doing what. And I always feel that whoever's doing something, there's always something to learn and take back home. So it has to be a learning experience rather than a competitive experience. And then plus, this is not a business for me. This is a trust. Okay, so I'm not in the business of money making or being in the business. The many people who do, they do it as a as a business. So it's good for them because when they're doing it as a business, it does very well. It's very nice. But for me, it's not a business. For me, it's more of giving something back, bringing awareness about India, celebrating value your country, value India.
लास्ट ईयर भी एक्सप्लोर करा था इंडिया स्टोरी का, कैलकाटा स्टोरी स्पेशली. सो हमने देखा कि बच्चों के लिए और महिलाओं के लिए देयर वर सो मेनी थिंग्स. सो इस बार क्या स्पेशल हो रहा है फॉर वुमेन एंड किड्स?
See, women and kids, what happens, they have an opportunity for their husbands and fathers to come because it's a weekend. So the fathers and the husbands are free. And they love to, what the women and the children want. They want their husbands or their father or their brothers to be around. So it becomes like a family outing. And there is, and there's so much of food, there's so much of shopping, there's so much, it's a place also, people can call their friends, their family over and safe environment. You can meet, you can hang around, you can chat, you can, it's a place where you can be together. At the same time, you can experience all the things that is happening around you. So I feel it's more of the vibe of a place that catches the imagination of the woman or the child or the man than anything else.
सो जो महिलाओं को जो आगे बढ़ना चाहती हैं, ज़िंदगी में कुछ करना चाहती है, बट अपॉर्चुनिटीज़ नहीं मिल पाती हैं, तो उनके लिए अगर आप कुछ एडवाइस करें तो क्या होगा?
See, मेरे ख्याल से कि हर वुमन, हर औरत के एक अंदर में है करने का और कर सकती है. ओके, सो आई ऑलवेज फील इट इज़ अबाउट, एक सब चीज़ का एक तो टाइम आता है व्हेन द अपॉर्चुनिटी नॉक्स. लाइक आई टेल यू, व्हेन आई इंडिया स्टोरी आई थॉट अबाउट इट 20 years बैक इन 2001. No, I never did it 20 years late. I पूरा project बना दिए थे, but the time was not right. I did it in 2015, 2001 से 2000. So I feel कि it's every time there is a time, whatever your talent, whatever that you think that you can do best, you should take that opportunity, उसको बढ़ाएं, उसको और पढ़ें, सीखें, गूगल करो. आजकल तो everything is on YouTube, you know, increase your knowledge, you know, so that you can become an authority in whatever field that you want to be. That's a great opportunity in education for a woman, even a housewife who's sitting at home. She can just do YouTube, she can just do Google, and she can just learn and expand her knowledge. And then you don't realize that when what comes, and it just comes. And I feel every woman can do anything and everything.
आजकल काफ़ी सोशल मीडिया पे एक वर्ड चला है जिसे हम कहते हैं जेन जी. सो जेन जी के लिए इस बार इंडिया स्टोरी में क्या है?
तो मेरे बच्चे भी जेनजी हैं. हाँ, माई डॉटर वाज टेलिंग मी कि मई 1996 के बाद जेनजी हो जाता है ना, ऐसे ही कुछ बोली. हाँ, हमको अभी रिसेंटली बोली. तो जेनजी, माई चिल्ड्रन love coming to India Story. My son said, this is your, really, it's a pride for Calcutta. So he's a Gen Z, he's 28 years old. And both of them say that they love the India Story because it's, again, it's got something for even for us to, like, you know, the cafes, the restaurants, the music, what are they interested in, all these, plus the right people, then some shopping here, there, you know. And then also you must understand, when we put all this installation, when we put the space in a very different way, present it in a different way, for us it's not only about exhibiting something, it's also about a festival experience, you know. So whether you see the installation, whether you see the conversation that's happening, whether you see the music and the performance, whether, you know, even the people who we invite, they also make it. You don't have to have everybody doing something, okay? So they all bring something to the table. So I feel the Gen Z, we also have, let me just tell you one thing, very interesting. So when I started the India Story 10 years, my children just went to college, and I spent a lot of time in America because my children were studying there. And I observed, changed, my whole style, my whole thinking changed. And when I started India Story, started with a modern twist, with a contemporary twist, rather than just looking at things which have been done, you know. And because my style, my thinking changed. My thinking got educated because I saw the world. I was in New York and I saw the way they were thinking. Unconsciously, I was absorbing everything. Okay, so my daughter told me, Mom, you know how much you changed when we went to US and you were there and you observed, and your whole style of India Story, you represented India Story in a very contemporary fashion, looking at how the world is thinking, how the world is moving, you know. So I feel the Gen Z, what do they want? They love music, they love bands, they love all the things, the cafes, the restaurant, hanging around with their friends, this, that. This is what it is that they want. And of course, at the same time, they get educated into the world of design and space.
Okay. Thank you so much, ma'am. It was a wonderful session. Thank you. And आप सभी से मेरी गुजारिश है कि अगर आप इंडिया स्टोरी आएंगे तो प्लीज़ हमारे साथ भी अपना अनुभव शेयर करें. एंड एक छोटा सा आप हमारे सनमार्ग के व्यूअर्स को क्या कुछ कहना चाहेंगे?
मैं बोलूँगी सनमार्ग व्यूअर्स को कि सनमार्ग हैज़ बीन वेरी वेरी सपोर्टिव, एंड रुचिका एंड विवेक आर वेरी गुड फ्रेंड्स, एंड आई एम ऑलवेज वेरी हैप्पी to be with them. And Sanmarg has been, I wish all the Sanmarg's readers to please come to India Story and experience the India Story to its full glory. Thank you.
थैंक यू सो मच. सो बने रहिए हमारे साथ और हमारे चैनल को लाइक, कमेंट, सब्सक्राइब करना बिल्कुल भी ना भूलें. स्टे ट्यून्ड विद सनमार्ग.